today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Yelp app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on push notifications, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on notification categories, then it's going to take you to this list here. You go down, just keep going down here, come here to photo and video likes, click in this sign that like you see this color show for us. That's main photo and video likes notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.